gonna teach you how to fold this jet. I designed it. I call it Hammerhead. Yeah, so follow along if you want to learn how to fold this. Fold it like that. Well, not fold, just put it like that. Then you're gonna fold the paper that way. And you're gonna unfold it and fold this to the crease you just made. And you're gonna unfold that and fold it the other way like that, so that you can kind of squash fold it. But then you're gonna open it up and fold this to the crease you just made. And you're gonna open that up and then fold it like that in a triangle. Open it up, get these two edges, bring them like that, and then squash fold this. And I'm just gonna make sure it's all good. Like that. Then you're gonna open that up and then bring this like that to the side. Then you're gonna fold this in under there like that. Then you're gonna go back here and you're gonna open this up and fold it in like that. So from here, fold it in like that. Then at the edge, you should open this up, and you should see like a crease right here. At the edge of the crease closest to this fin, you're gonna fold a wing. And then same with the other side. Then flip it over like this, and then jet fold it. Then you're gonna fold it like this. So from here, you just fold that, and then you're gonna like crease it like that. Then bring up each wing and crease it really well. And then get the other side and crease this up really well. And then these two fins, you bring them up like that, and like that, just like that. Then in the beginning, you made a crease, you're gonna fold it up like this to make a tail fin. And if you want to make it big, you can make it like a big tail fin, or you could make it like a small tail fin. Then you're gonna tuck that in, fold it like that, and then you can lock it by grabbing this and then like grabbing both sides and then like tuck that under the wing. Just gonna bring up the top fins a bit. There you have it.